Hello guys, welcome to SWK Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to take a full screenshot, a custom area screenshot, or a particular window screenshot. Plus, we will learn how to edit them without using any paid software. Full screenshot. To take a full screenshot, simply press and hold the window key on your keyboard and press print screen. Then, if you go to your pictures, you can see there is a screenshot folder, and if you open it, there is your screenshot. Custom screenshot. Let's say I only want the screenshot of this part. For this, simply go to your type and type snip, and you will get two tools, Snip and Sketch plus snipping tool. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, I will highly recommend you guys to use Snip and Sketch because it's a newer and upgraded version. Then click on New. Now you will see few options here. Since I want this region, I will simply click on Rectangle Snip, and then I will simply come here like this and I will drag it like this. Now if I release my mouse, you can see it has been captured. Plus, what we can do here is that we can simply click on image crop and we can adjust it a little bit more if we want. And in the end, we can simply save it like this. Now guys, if you don't want a custom shape and you want to draw the shape yourself, then you can do this by clicking on the freeform snip. Then drag it like this. I'm drawing it quickly, but you can take your time to draw it more perfectly. Now you can see that this custom screenshot has been captured. Now guys, if you want to select a custom window and take its screenshot, then you can simply click here and you can click on window snip. Sometime I have seen this thing happening that it doesn't pick the window and it picks the whole screen. If something like this happens, it's not an issue because we can simply come here and we can edit it very easily. Now for this, there is an image crop over here. You simply click here and then you drag here these lines like this. Now we have successfully, if I click here, now you have seen that we have successfully taken the screenshot of a particular window. Now let's say I want to edit it. I want to highlight few things. For this, we have a highlighter over here. Simply left click here and you can highlight like this. If I click here and I want to change its color, I can choose between these colors. Let's say I want this color, and again I will left click here and I want to decrease my size little bit. So I have decreased my size. Now you can see easily that this text has been highlighted. If you want to write something, you can use the ballpoint and we can write anything here, or we can draw anything over here like this. If you want something with pencil look, you can have it a pencil look. It will be semi-transparent, the pencil, but it's up to you. You have ballpoint, you have pencil. In both of them, you have multiple colors and you have sizes. Plus, if you want to go with the scale, you can simply go with the scale over here. And let's say I want to draw a few lines over here too with the yellow color. Okay, for the scale, you just have to bring your mouse over here close and then you have to draw it. It will automatically snap it. You can see a perfect straight line. If I want to draw another line, I can simply do it again like this. And let's say you have to rotate your scale. For this, you have to simply use the mouse scroll. If you use the mouse scroll, you can simply rotate it too. Let's say I wanted to do it at 45 degrees, so I can do it like this too. And again, if you want to use protector, you can use a protector and you can simply use the scroll again to minimize or maximize it. Plus, we can draw again like this around it, and If you want to erase something, you can erase it. Okay, I want to turn off my protector, so I will go here and I will turn off my protector. Again, I will go to my eraser tool and I will erase this. I don't want this. And if you want to erase everything, you simply come here, left click, and then again left click over here. So guys, this is how you take screenshots and edit them. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys.